Hi mga katsa, good day po sa ating lahat. This is Ramel. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel for today's video mga katsa. Burgundy color with Brazilian Botox ang pinagawa ng ating client for today's video mga katsa. So thank you so much. Hi guys! For today's video, may nag-avail na naman sa ating rebond, color at palibreng treatment mga katsa. So yan po si Madam. Thank you for watching. Good morning guys! So ayan, meron na naman din tayong rebond, color, and free treatment mga guys, mga katsa. So yan po, nag-avail si Madam. Thank you so much. Good morning! So our hair rebonding for today's video, yan po. Rebond lang po yan, walang treatment, walang color, walang lahat. Wala lahat. Only rebonding lang po yan. So thank you so much. Good morning mga katsa. This is Ramel. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So yan po, rebonding lang po tayo ngayon. No treatment, no cellophane, no other treatment. Only rebonding lang po yan from Ayala, Zamboanga City. Thank you so much, Madam. So ayan, hair color only and libreng treatment. Sa bawat hair color nyo, may palibreng treatment na. So sana kayo. Good morning guys! So for today's video guys, ayan, ang ating customer ngayon ay si Madam Shing Olis. So ang pinapagawa po ni Madam ay hair color with treatment. Free treatment na po yan siya pag nagpapa-hair color kayo dito sa akin. As of now, promos. Thank you so much! Good morning guys! Actually, rebond with highlights na po yan si Madam sa akin last December. And then bumalik siya ngayon for hair treatment and ash color. Thank you so much! Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow.